Hi everyone, and welcome back again to Alanaya So Chic. If by chance, unfortunately, this is the first time you joined Alanaya So Chic, welcome first of all. This is a platform where we talk about all things fashion, lifestyle, and my absolute favorite, DIY. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe because why not? Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about upcycling some of your regular old plant containers. I recently went shopping to look for a plant container to house some of my lovely plants here, but actually had a difficult time finding something that was within a decent price range. I did of course need one that did not have holes in drainage, and so today we're going to upcycle one of my already established plant containers. This plant container is actually the container that one of my plants came in when I purchased it a while back from Home Depot. So if you see, it still has the sticker on it. I need to take that off actually. It is a plastic container that I already had in my possession. I just cleaned it out, and now we're going to do some really cool things with the outside to where you wouldn't even know that this is a plastic container from Home Depot. First, I'm going to start by removing the sticker. You want to make sure that you've cleaned it thoroughly, especially on the outside, because we're going to be using our glue gun to adhere to the outside. So if that's not clean, you're going to have some problems sticking things. So once you've thoroughly cleaned the outside of the container and the inside, of course, we're going to go ahead and get set up with the items that we need. So I actually just have a Craft Bond Elmer's glue gun. So that's what I'm going to be using to adhere to the outside surface. My glue sticks and just some jute rope from Michael's. You can get jute rope, you can actually use macrame rope. I chose jute rope just because I like the look, but let's go ahead and get started. So you want to make sure that you have enough rope, because what we're going to do is we are going to adhere starting at the bottom completely around the entire circumference of the plant container. So I'm going to heat up my glue gun. This glue gun is actually really cool because it has a stand as well, so that you're not going to actually be burning the surface if you lie your glue gun down. It's really cool, really handy. I like it. You want to be careful because you are adhering to a plastic surface, so just make sure that you're not actually putting the glue gun tip itself on the plastic surface, because you don't want to burn it. Alright, so we got our glue going. I'm going to start with just the tip. Okay, you can see that it's starting to heat up now. You want to make sure that you get a good amount of adhesive on the very first part, of course, because that's going to be the anchor for the rest. You see what I'm doing here? It's drying actually quite quick, so you want to work kind of quickly. You want to put a little glue. And then stick. Make sure it's there firmly. It's in place. You want to repeat the same process. You put a little glue. down as far as we can without making too much of a mess, and then we just stick. And we're basically going to repeat this process over and over. Once you come full circle all the way around, you want to basically just go right on top, create the next line. Because this container is already white, I actually like the white, so I'm not going to cover it completely, but what I am going to do is I'm going to stop here. So I'm just going to cut this with my scissors, make sure that it's glued properly on the edge, and I'm going to do a little bit just around the tip here, just to give it a little bit of balance, and also kind of to cover this. Now, just to give it a little bit more character and uniqueness, since I have finished that top part, I put 5 rows there. I'm going to do somewhat of a zigzag triangle design here in the middle. So I'm actually going to start where I stopped here in this particular section, so it's going to look as if it was a continuous line in that pattern. The end, and we're just going to cut that portion off at an angle. Go down there. Once that's dried, you can take your scissors and just kind of do a little trim for all those blue strands that are poking out, any extra of the jute rope that's also just cleaning up. And there you have it, your upcycled DIY plant container. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys liked about this video, or if you have any suggestions on a different way that you've done it, or what you would like to see for next time. Until then, have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far and you haven't subscribed, what are you doing with your life? Subscribe, and also make sure to hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I post a new DIY. New DIYs every week, so join us. Thanks for watching. Tell your friends. Bye-bye.